Hello everyone and welcome to our poster. Our research focused on the individual differences of cognitive strategy use and performance in working memory training. The working memory training typically induced large gains on the trained task, while evidence for the transfer of these gains remain mixed. To account for these findings, the recent views of cognitive skill learning propose that training promote the development of cognitive skills which improve the performance of trained and similar untrained tasks. In this study, we aim to investigate the individual differences of cognitive strategy use in two studies using a two-phase working memory training paradigm. For training design in phase 1, participants complete the training of either digit backward task, a color change detection, or a circle backward task. In phase 2, all participants complete one training session on later backward task. Study 1 includes 3 training sessions in phase 1, while study 2 only had 1 session. We used questionnaires to assess the strategy used in both phases. The data from the phase 2 was used in the following analysis. Participants rated the frequency of 11 strategies, such as grouping and visualization, on a scale of 0 to 4. We first conducted a hierarchical cluster analysis in study 1 and identified 5 clusters. Then we confirmed these results in study 2 by assigning 5 clusters using non-hierarchical cluster analysis. We identified 4 overlapping clusters in both studies. The representative clusters include a balanced group where participants use a higher or more balanced combination of most strategies. Another one is the group where participants mainly rely on the visual or reversal strategies but rarely use grouping strategies. In both studies, the balanced cluster demonstrated the highest performance, while the visual or reversal clusters demonstrate the lowest performance. In balanced clusters, there was no one from the circle group, while in the visual or reversal cluster, the circle group had a higher count than expected. To summarize, two studies yield broadly consistent results. We observed high variability and complexity in strategy used during phase 2 later backward training. In addition, strategy use was related to performance, and interestingly, the participant who performed the lowest was not the one who didn't use strategy at all, but used more visual or reversal strategy without using the grouping strategy. Moreover, different strategies used were induced by different training in phase 1, indicating the transfer of cognitive skill in two-phase working memory training paradigm. That's all. If you have any questions, you can comment down below or contact us via email. Also, do come back and check out our poster during the meeting. Thank you for your attention.